getting dark quickly, but I had to get out and get a video in with the new face cam just to try it out because the weather's nice. I don't know how long the weather is going to be nice. Hopefully the video looks decent. Ooh boy. What's going on, y'all? We're out riding around. I got the new front face setup going on. Instead of it being on the side of my helmet, we're directly in the front. So hopefully the view looks maybe a little bit more straight and a little bit more enjoyable. I don't really know if it would make much of a difference, but sun's going down as you can see. But we just got it finished, so I really want to come out and get some test footage and possibly just, you know, make a little video while we're out here. Does it just pave this road as well? I think we made a video when they had gotten done with part of it, but they finished the whole thing, so now we can just, you know, come through and rip. And it's a nice afternoon for a ride. It's 60-some degrees out, thankfully. Can't beat it in November, second week of November too. And we're vibing, baby, we're vibing. But yeah, we got 1,300 miles. We just hit 1,300 miles. Let's go, brother. Hell yeah. I know I haven't been talking very much. I don't know why I shifted up and keep down. I haven't been talking very much in the videos. Just kind of been riding, posting content. But I don't know. Haven't been very talkative lately, so we've just been chilling, cruising around, making little cruise videos, which I don't think there's anything wrong with that either. It's always it's okay to stray away from the normal path, right? You don't have to do the same things all the time. So alright, we're gonna turn back around, go the other way. How we're going to accomplish that, I don't know. I think we're gonna just pull a little bit of a U-turn right here, don't mind me. Baby, it feels good to ride. I was worried about coming out because it was going to get dark, but I figured we'd have enough time to make at least a 5-minute video or so, maybe a little 10-minute video. Let's go up and down the road real quick, test out the footage, see what it looks like, talk a little bit, maybe not talk, I don't know, man. I've just been talking so much throughout the day that when I do ride, I just want to like sit in silence and listen to music, you know? My escape moments. But I felt like this was an important thing to talk about. We changed the position of the camera, and I don't know. I want to go faster. I was really hoping to go way faster around that corner. That corner is fun. But like, dude, it went from bright to dark real quick. Man. But see, yeah, they finally finished it. It's not all shit anymore. Because last time I think it ended back there. And then this was all just and I was what's up, brother? So yeah, it's a good night. It's a good night for a ride. I forgot my backpack. I was gonna go to Menards, but I was just in a rush to come out and make a video. So I like it being in the front too, because I think I have more of an opportunity to kind of check if it's doing its thing or not. And yeah, I don't know, I feel like it might be a little bit more personable than on the side of my head, to be honest. We'll see. Buddy. Oy, oy, oy.